What's up guys, it's Eric with Grill Slinger. Today, I'm going to show you 2 ways to smoke this. Hot and fast, or low and slow. You get to pick. That was terrible. Let's get it. Smoking salmon on a pellet grill has been one of the most popular things to do ever since pellet grills hit the market when Traeger did all their stuff. Salmon is fairly easy to smoke. Really, all you gotta do is put some seasoning on it and throw it in. It's really a question of how do you want to do it. Do you want to do the ultra low smoke? Do you want to do low and slow? Do you want to go hot and fast? Today, we've done the hot and fast video with tri-tip, so we are going to show you how to do it here with salmon. All right, I got these salmon fillets in my local big box. They are skin on, full fillets. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this out of the tray here. We are going to grab some paper towels and we're going to pat this dry. And it doesn't need to be bone dry. We just want to make sure that we get the surface, instead of being slick, we want it a little sticky. So that's nice and dry. We're going to grab some seasoning. We're using our Cali Gold Rub on this today. We're going to be doing 2 of these fillets, but when you're seasoning a salmon, you don't want to go too crazy on it, but you do want to get some even coverage, so just kind of don't really want to pat it or anything. You're just kind of making sure that you get enough coverage on the fish. Now this Cali Gold Rub, this is a mix of salt, pepper, garlic powder. There's some white pepper and a couple other ingredients in there, but it's really kind of like a more of a flavor enhancer kind of a rub, but great all-purpose. You can really use this on anything, but I love it on fish. We're gonna let this sit in our fridge for about 30 minutes before putting it on the smoker. We want to kind of develop a pellicle. You can go up to like 2-3 hours letting it sit to kind of infuse flavor, but you really just need 30 minutes. So we're gonna let that sit, and then we'll catch up with it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our low and slow preparation. If you want to jump ahead to the hot and fast, there's a time code below. But this has been sitting in our fridge for about 30 minutes. We've got our smoker running at 225. We're gonna put this in the cold part of the grill, and it's gonna take about an hour, hour and a half. We want to be checking this constantly for temperature to make sure it's not overcooking or drying out. And then about halfway through the cook, we'll go in with some other basting material. So we'll cover that once we get there. I'm gonna go get this on. So our salmon has been on the grill for about 30 minutes. I went ahead and switched it to the hotter side of the grill for now. What I'm gonna do is take half a lemon here, and we are going to squeeze that over the fish, and then we're also gonna brush it down with some olive oil. Get some flavor, help it crisp up a little bit, and then after that, then we'll do our hot and fast salmon. So our low and slow salmon is just about complete. We're gonna go ahead and take our hot and fast salmon, put that in the grill right now, right over the middle of the fire pot, and we're gonna turn the grill up in temp. It shouldn't have too much crossover with the other one. And then we're gonna follow the same exact process. It's just gonna take a lot less time. So go ahead and get it on. Right, so we've got our salmon off the smoker, and we've got our low and slow versus our hot and fast. These were cooked to an internal temperature of 140 degrees. The low and slow, again, just to recap, this was at 225. The hot and fast was at 300. This took about an hour and a half. This one took about 30 minutes. We are going to do a taste test. I can tell you visually, just looking at it, this has got a ton more color, but this also seems a lot moister. I'm gonna have Richie come up, and we're gonna go ahead and give this a little taste test. See how we did. You had said earlier you had a guess here.
I think this is gonna have better moisture and flavor, and I don't really remember what I think about that. I don't know. I think this will be. I think we just have to try it.
Okay. You want to start with the hot and fast?
Yeah, let's do hot and fast.
Okay. Let's stay back here.
Stay back. Cheers.
Lots of pink color on that.
Well, hot. That's got good consistency.
It's still really moist.
Yeah. Flaky. Good color. I'm sure it's hot.
This one just came off the grill.
Yeah. There we go. That is what I was looking for. Wow.
Has more the consistency of just like a straight baked salmon, which I'm not mad about. This is kind of what you would get like at a restaurant.
Yeah, the lemon on top. I get more of the flavors, the olive oil, the seasoning on there. The ends of it, you know, they go way hotter, so
Right.
you get a little bit overcooked, but the center is perfect. Yeah, that is great.
Right. We ready to try low and slow?
Let's do it.
I'm just gonna take a cut out of the middle here.
Color on this is really.
You get a lot more of that orange color. And again, like salmon when it's cooked, goes from that pink to orange.
I don't know, man.
They're very similar. They're both moist.
I think on the hot and fast, you lose some of the stuff you put on top. You know, you lose some of the flavor. But because we cook this low and slow, all the flavors that we intended to be present in the cook, they're all there. Distinct. Again, the salt and the pepper and the secret ingredients of our palate gold.
Yeah.
I just realized as I had my hand up, I don't know what to do with my hands.
This is fantastic.
Oh, hey. Eat it out.
I think low and slow is the winner.
Low and slow.
That's your champion. If you're in a rush, you can absolutely go hot and fast. There's nothing wrong with that. It still is a great fish. I mean, salmon, that's the thing that everybody, you know, likes to cook. But, you know, if you got the time, low and slow is the way to go. That's why I can't do nice cooks. Well, if you like this recipe, make sure to drop a comment below. If you like hot and fast, let us know. But yeah, I think we're pretty squarely team low and slow. Check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.